Undertaker. Let me take you for a spin.
Hello, I'm Grant from County Funerals, and we post videos about the funeral service industry. And today we're going to show you one of the most important tools in arranging a funeral, a good cup of tea. We're very fortunate here at County Funerals to have the world's best tea maker, Jeffrey Barnes, here with us, and he's going to go through just how to make a Jeff cup of tea. All right, Jeff?
Yeah, thanks, Grant. Right, well, good morning. First of all, freshly boiled water, a must. Then we have the all-essential Thai food tea bag, and in we go. Don't put milk in first, always water first. Hot water. Oh, yeah, that's it. Then we let it brew for a little while. Sugar there to sweeten. I know Grant's got a bit of a sweet tooth, so he'll have one sugar. Just the one, small one. There you go, look at that.
Now, in your opinion, does the cup make a difference? Are you all about the mug?
Oh yeah, it's got to be a China mug. Can't have none of this plastic rubbish. Oh, definitely not.
What about the weight of a mug? Some people say that the heavier the mug, the better the cup of tea.
Nice heavy cup for coffee and a lightweight cup for your tea, because it's a nice bit of china. There you go. And milk.
Now, in your opinion, what colour should tea be?
Oh, I'll show you. Look at that. Now that is a lovely brew. And of course, if you want a builder's tea, you leave the tea bag in.
Lovely.
There you are, sir. Your morning brew.
There we have it, the world's best cup of tea. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all again soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Well, I'm your friendly Undertaker. Let me take you for a spin.